The UX Design Award Product 2025 goes to Spruce Eco and Cosmic Velocity for the Making Heat Pump Installation Simple and Smart tool. Congratulations from the award jury and the International Design Center Berlin. The Spruce platform revolutionizes heat pump installation through digital automation, enabling installers to qualify leads, automate calculations, and simplify surveys. Research showed significant time wasted on manual tasks. Cosmic Velocity's design reduces quote generation to minutes, speeds up surveys, and boosts conversion rates by 20%, supporting the UK's transition to sustainable heating.
Spruce streamlines heat pump installation through a user-centric design process for installers and homeowners. It replaces manual workflows with automated solutions like heat loss calculations and proposal generation. The platform's holistic approach and consistent design, supported by a robust design system, improves usability and efficiency, reducing workload by 60 hours per month. Spruce builds local economic resilience and supports a sustainable future.